Good morning, custodians. So today we will again try to study chapter number 12, which is atoms, and from that chapter particularly the topic that we will study today is spectral series of hydrogen atom. Okay, so let us start. See, first of all let us understand what is this, what are these spectral series and how do they arise. Okay, so from the Bohr theory of atom, what do we know? That when an electron makes transition from the higher energy orbit to the lower energy orbital, so what happens, there is some difference in the energy between the two levels. So what happens when the electron at the higher energy level makes transition to the lower energy, what happens, there is some you can say some energy is emitted out. Okay, and that energy appears in the form of photons. Okay, so that energy, the energy that emits out in the form of photons, it must have some frequency. Okay, then only it will be emitted. So the frequency of that photons, or you can say the frequency of those photons is equals to h mu. Okay, and the difference between and what is this energy, this frequency will be equals to the difference between the two energy levels. Okay, so let us consider the higher energy level be the we can consider it as an initial level be higher one and the final be the lower one. So ENI minus ENF, NI is the initial level and NF is the final level. Okay, so we can consider it as, now we already know the formula of frequency from the previous discussions, that is mu is equals to r, that is Rydberg constant in inside the bracket we are having 1 upon ni. Ni is the initial level and minus 1 upon nf square, and f is the final level. Okay, now we know this is frequency, and if we talk about the wave number, this mu, notice wave number, what is that, that is equals to 1 upon lambda. Okay, so it becomes equal to this expression as we have discussed. Now we want to discuss about the hydrogen spectrum. Okay, or you can say the spectral series of hydrogen atom. So for that there are four spectral series of hydrogen. What are they? The first one is Lehman series, Balmer series, Paschen series, and then we are having Brackett series and Pfund series. Okay, five series we are having in the hydrogen spectrum. These are the main five series. Okay, so now let us try to differentiate between all these series. So the first series that we are having is Lehman series, and this series lies in the ultraviolet region. Okay, and this series, as we can see, this series starts from the first, or you can say the very first level, and the final levels, or you can say this series starts from the first level, initial level, and it falls to the second, third and fourth, so on. Okay, as we can see from the diagram also. See, this is the diagram. Here we are having, see, this is the first, you can say the first level, second level, third and fourth, so on. Okay, so we can say the series starts from the second and it falls to first. The again from the third level also it goes directly to the first, fourth also it will again directly go to the first, and so on as the levels proceed. The only thing is that the series will end at the first level only. Okay, so these series are known as Lehman series. What are Balmer series? And you see these series are observed in the ultraviolet region. Balmer series, you can say they start from second 3, 4 and 5 and so on levels, and they end at level number 2. Okay, now if we talk about, and what is the preferable region for them, the region in which they are observed is visible region. Okay, now what are Paschen series? Paschen series, they start from 4, 5 and 6 so on levels, and they end at the third level. Now same way with the Brackett series, they start from the 5, 6, 7 and so on levels, and they end at the fourth level. Okay, now if we talk about the Pfund series, also Pfund series starts from the 6, 7, 8 and so on levels, and it ends at the fifth level, and these series are observed in the infrared region. Okay, so that's all for today. We will be discussing the other part in the next class or other video. Thanks for watching the video.